Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying a few essentials. Make sure Windows 10 is updated enough to have the colors page, and that you're signed into an account that can change personalization settings. Once that's done, press the Windows key and I to open settings, then click Personalization and choose Colors. This gets you straight to the controls you need. Don't wander through Control Panel. From here, you'll pick a color and locate the Taskbar accent option in the same pane. Now focus on choosing and applying the color. First, under Colors, pick one of the preset swatches, or select Custom Color and type a hex if you want an exact shade. Make sure the option to automatically pick an accent from your background is off so your selection stays fixed. Then scroll down and enable the box labeled Show Accent Color on Start, Taskbar, and Action Center. Once enabled, Windows paints the taskbar with your accent. If you don't see change, toggle it off and on to force refresh. Finish by confirming the new color on the taskbar and adjusting contrast if icons become hard to read. If the change doesn't appear immediately, restart File Explorer or sign out and back in. This forces the UI to refresh. Also check your Windows mode. Switching between light and dark can affect visibility, so make sure the background and accent choices work together. If problems persist, update display drivers or revert personalization settings and try again. Doing so resolves most stubborn color application issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.